Alright? Don't forget, every now and then, you gotta flip your balls.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now, on the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be making some, what am I making? I forgot. Gnocchi. I'm gonna be making some gnocchi with some meatballs and some frozen vegetables. So stay tuned and see how it goes. But before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. And enjoy the show. Right, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a friend, we're kind of talking at the beginning of the video. Imagine how it's going to go later on. Anyway, I've got two pans, they're heated up, you can feel the heat. All I'm going to do is get some butter, stick it in there, right? Get some of that, stick it in there and all. Just a little bit, not too much. Go on, get in there, done, right? Oh, I've got so much, mate. Easy. Yeah. Go on. Right. This one's a bit slow, as you can see. So, what you want to do, you got your meatballs. You want to just pour them all in there. Alright. Yeah, well. Melts for ya. And then you got your gnocchi. What you would do, just pour it all in there. Let that fry up. Turn it down. Same thing with the meatballs. You want to get them going. Right. What you can do, switch it over quite simply so. Turn that one down, turn that one up. Right, so we've got a high heat on this one. This can hurry up and cook, because this is going to take longer than that. Whereas this one, you just want to let it do its thing. Alright? Alright? Don't forget, every now and then, you got to flip your balls, just so they don't burn. Got to be careful with them. We need our meatballs, you know, part of the food and all. Right, let this go on, let it crack on, give it 5 minutes, I'll be back, give you an update, and then we'll take it from there. Ladies and gentlemen, all I want to do is give you a quick update on our meatballs. Just look at that, will ya? Where are they? Look at that. Right, put them on, get them going. Don't let them stick together, don't let them burn. You just want them to cook nicely, change colour. You see how it's kind of a little bit tender there, it's burnt up a little bit? That's kind of what you want. You don't want it to be burnt, you just want it to change colour. And as for our gnocchis, they're chilling really, aren't they? They're not doing much. They're not making any noises, they're not changing colour. It's just the oil is getting to them. But that's going to take a while for this to, you know, kick in and all of that. So, got to be patient with it. I might end up switching them over in a bit, but we'll see how it goes. So, get this going. Look at that. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful, that is. Right? Get that going. Just only if we have the flames coming up, it'll look so much nicer going like this, rather than just on a, you know, a bit of metal that's hot. Anyway, so our meatballs are getting done, almost-ish. Right, once they're done, I'll show you what we're going to do next. Come on, son. Yeah, right, ladies and gentlemen. As for our gnocchi, as you can see, it's starting to get a little bit crispy, it's changing colour. Can you see that? Can you see how like, the little brown bits and all of that? We're getting there. Let it get crispy, that's good. As for our meatballs, they're rather well. We're doing pretty good. Quite happy with that, impressed with that. As you can see, they've also changed colour and all. Right, what we're going to do is take them off the heat. Put these in there, right? Come on. Today would be good, isn't it? That's what happens when you get a small spoon, you know? In a bigger spoon. Right. And then, what you want to do is get your gnocchi, pour it in there, alright? Meanwhile, as that's doing its thing, you want to, if it opens, just get a little bit of oil, right? Tiny bit. Okay? As it's going, you want to get your veg, stick it in there. You want to get your second bit of veg, stick it in there and all. And then, don't let that burn. Get that going. What's going on here? Get this to melt. So this is frozen veggies. So yeah. There you go. Look at that. Best thing. Switch sides. Right. Let that go in a bit quicker because we need the heat on that. That is slow. Alright guys, just look at that. Yeah, look at the colours. Green, orange and yellow. Amazing, beautiful, isn't it? Making me hungry. I'm not even feeling hungry today for some reason. Wow. Anyway. Here's what you want to do. Get a spoon of tomato puree. This is some chopped tomatoes. Stick it all in there. Come on. Right. Give it a little mix. Turn it down because we don't need it to go full speed. But as for this, hurry up. Ain't got all day for you. Is it even? Yes. Coming up crispy. Coming up crispy. That's what we want. That's all we want. Hurry up and get crispy. That's all it is. As for this, give it a little mix. You know, get all the veggies mixed up together nicely. Look at that. Yummy. This is gonna go in my tummy. Wait. Guys, maybe it's a little bit too much sauce in there and all, but we're alright, we can manage. Once that's gone, give it a couple of minutes. All you want to do is put these bad boys in there, which I'll show you in a sec. Turn this back up. Right, what you want to do is get your meatballs, stick it in there. Alright, that one's stuck, that is. Didn't want to go. Let that whole thing just sit there and soak in there and marinate everything together, right? Look at that, don't even bother mixing it. Just let it sink in there, right? Right guys, the smell is coming up. So we just want to gently give it a little mix. Get all the juices going on. Get the meatballs all nice and juicy. Make sure you find them in between all of that, right? And then this is basically almost ready, guys. Well, all you got to do is serve it. That's ready. So what you want to do is get a bowl. Don't put this on top of that. Do it the other way. Simply because you want to keep these gnocchis crispy. That's all. So get your that's going everywhere. I've got to do some cleaning up, guys. I'm not happy with that. Right, let me just turn that off. Get rid of that. Right, that's your gnocchi. You wanna, right, turn that off. You wanna get some meatballs, stick it in there. right? Look at that. Not too much, obviously. And then, of course, you want to get some of that vegetables. Where is it? And then some of them greens. Just like so. Get some of that juice. Just bang it in the middle. And then the two things that you can add is simply a bit of Parmesan cheese, right? And a bit of pepper. Let it go everywhere. Voila. That, ladies and gentlemen, is your gnocchi with some meatballs. Bon appetit. See you next time. Make sure you share, like, comment, and more importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time, guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come